Arrow's T59 professional insulated staple gun is the pro's choice for installing data and communication cables. With this handy staple gun, keeping cables organized and out of the way has never been easier. The T59 is made with a chrome steel housing, features a comfortable grip, and has a convenient rear load magazine. The grooved wire guide tracks along the cable, saving you time and ensuring accuracy without damaging your wires. The T59 is meant for larger cables. For low voltage wiring projects, like hanging holiday lights, consider Arrow's T25 staple gun. The T59 professional insulated staple gun works with T59 staples in sizes 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch by 5/16 inch, and 5/16 inch by 5/16 inch. Arrow offers online video instructions for reloading and unjamming this tool. The T59 is perfect for installing data and communication cables, Cat5 cables, RG59 cables, RG6 cables, or any other cables with a 5/16 inch diameter. Thanks for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. Be sure to tag Arrow Fastener on social media. We'd love to see the projects you're working on.